Question 5, we need to convert 15 meters per second to kilometers per hour in A. Let's do that one first. So how many kilometers per hour is 15 meters per second? So we need to multiply this by 2 unit factors. One which has meters at the bottom and kilometers at the top, to get rid of the old unit of meters and introduce the required unit of kilometers. And then the second one needs seconds at the top to get rid of the old unit of seconds, and hours at the bottom to introduce the new unit of hours. So we need to ask ourselves, how many kilometers is how many meters? 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. We know that because 1,000 and kilo are the same thing. So if you say 1 kilometer, you are saying 1,000 meters. Then we know that 3,600 seconds is 1 hour. How do we know that? In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes, each of which is composed of 60 seconds. 60 times 60 is 3,600. So there are 3,600 seconds in every hour. 15 divided by 1,000 multiplied by 3,600 gives us 54, and our unit is kilometers per hour. So we've converted 15 meters per second to kilometers per hour. So 15 meters per second is the same thing as 54 kilometers per hour. B, we need to convert into meters per second 120 kilometers per hour. We need to multiply it by a unit factor which has kilometers at the bottom to cancel away kilometers, meters at the top to introduce meters, and another unit factor which has hours at the top to remove hours, and seconds at the bottom to introduce the new unit of seconds. We know that 1,000 meters is the same thing as 1 kilometer, and 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. 120 multiplied by 1,000 divided by 3,600 is 33,3 recurring. We round off to 2 places behind the decimal, so that's 33,33, and our unit is meters per second. So if you're traveling at 120 kilometers per hour, that is the same thing as traveling at 33,33 meters per second.
And before we go, have you already liked? Have you subscribed? You left me a comment, and please go and visit my website. You'll find a lot of resources there, and they're categorized in a way that will make it very easy for you to find what you need. Until we meet again, learn science!